dry coconut powder, mava, rose sharbat, white sugar, milk powder, ghee and some cardamom powder. Now I have turned on the gas on low flame and now I am going to take my aunt's help and let us begin with our recipe.
Now we will be adding coconut powder. I have given all the measurements in the description box, so you can check all the measurements there. Now we will be sauteing this until it changes its color. We will stop it before it changes its color.
You can see the color has not changed at all. Just like this, now we have to add sugar. I have let it cook for around 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Now we'll saute this for around 1 to 2 minutes again.
Now that you can see that the sugar is mixed, we will add the milk and we will keep mixing it so that it doesn't stick to the pan.
We mix in this mixture until it's fully dry. You can see it's a bit watery because of the milk, and this is the perfect consistency. Now we will be adding milk powder. Now we mix it well. Just like this. You have to keep mixing. Don't let the mixture settle down. We will be adding ghee to this mixture. 2 teaspoons. And now we will mix it again. This now we will add mava just after 30 seconds or so. Now mix it properly again until all of the mixture is mixed properly. There should be no lumps in the mixture. You can see the mixture is coming together now. Just like this, you have to keep mixing.
Now we will check if the mixture is ready or not. We'll start making balls out of it. If it is making balls, then your mixture is perfect. If it's too much sticky, liquidy or something, then you need to mix it a bit more time.
We will let it cool down.
We will turn off the flame and start adding the rose sharbat, and then we'll start mixing it properly. You have to keep the gas off and then start mixing. If you feel that the color is too light, you could add some more sharbat.
This is the color we should be getting, and if you don't get this color, so you should add more of the rose sharbat. Now we will be adding cardamom powder. After adding the cardamom powder, we will mix it well. We will be adding this mixture into the plate.
Now you will check if the mixture is ready or not. You will take handful of ghee in your hand and start rolling balls out of it. If it is like this, then it is perfect. Now we'll add ghee to the mold. We'll add it to both the sides so that our dough does not stick to the mold. Now we will close it and start adding the dough. Just like this. Now we will open the mold and see if our modak is ready or not. And there we go, our modak is ready.